Egypt, where the central bank has announced that foreign debt reached $92.64 billion in June 2018. Now, this is a 17% increase compared to the year before. The central bank has also announced that it will borrow another $16.7 billion in the 2018 and 2019 fiscal year. $10 billion of this will be used to pay off old debts. And CGTN's Yasser Hakim now takes a look at whether Egypt's debts are spiraling out of control.
The central bank's announcement has sparked concerns that Egypt's foreign debt has reached worrying highs. It currently stands at more than $92 billion and is expected to hit $98 billion in the 2019-2020 fiscal year.
Egypt resorts to issuing bonds in the international market and taking out loans from financial institutions such as the International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, African Bank and others. It borrows to reduce its budget deficit and to import food and essential goods. However, it is still in the safe zone as debt is at 37% of GDP, which is an accepted level globally.
According to the central bank, Cairo needs around $25 billion a year for debt installments alone. The government has covered this amount by borrowing on long-term repayment plans. The finance minister has also traveled to several Asian markets to study the possibility of issuing bonds with currencies such as the Chinese yuan and Japanese yen. These countries may offer better terms and lower interest rates than Europe and the US. Egypt hopes to issue $5 billion in Asian bonds in the first quarter of 2019. However, experts believe Cairo will soon exit this vicious circle.
The solution is in increasing production and exports, improving the industrial sector, as well as tourism, and exporting the newly discovered gas and oil in the Mediterranean Sea. All these will significantly raise foreign currency revenue, help the government repay its debts, and stop future borrowing.
International financial institutions forecast Egypt's economic growth to reach 8% in the next 3 years, up from 5% in 2018. The positive outlook is attributed to reforms and the country's ability to repay its foreign loans. Hakim for CGTN, Cairo.